mga tubig, mga kurente. Ayan, mga kaibigan, nasa madilim na paligid na po ako, mga kaibigan. Okay kayo? Okay kayo. If you wanna be my mama, yeah, yeah, good, my friend. Make it last forever, a friendship never ends. If you wanna be my mama, you have got to keep. Singing is so easy, but that's the way it is. To make my top, letting no one I feel. Ay, nakamute pala ako. Eh, nangyaw-yaw ako na nangyaw-yaw. Dito, mute pala si ako. Ay, yan ako nang yaw-yaw, nang yaw-yaw. Ay, ang sa kandingan ni Lance. Dilim po yung mga kaibigan. Kasi, nandito sa kadiliman mga kaibigan. Ayan po, yan na lang po muna. So, dito na lang po tayo. Ako po yan mga kaibigan. Ang laki ng butas ng ilong ko mga kaibigan. Thank you, Mom's TV from the world. Hi, I'm Shangy. Wanna play? I'm scared of my face. Hey, Miss Bay, maganda tong Stars by Simply Red. Narinig mo itong kantahin si Miss Bay. Kantahin ko ha. Okay, kantahin mo. Magkapila lang, okay? Ma. Pa. Stars by Simply Red. One, two, one, two, one, two, but two, three, four, four. Anyone who ever held you would tell you the way I'm feeling. Anyone who ever wanted you would try. We feel inside. Only thing I ever wanted was the feeling that you in it faking cases. The only one you ever thought about. Wait a minute, can't you see that I wanna fall from the stars straight into your arms? I feel you. I hope you comprehend. Whatever. For the man who tried to hurt you, explaining the way I'm feeling. For all the jealousy I caused you, states the reason why I'm trying to hide. As for all the things you taught me, it sets my future into clearer dimensions. You never knew how much you hurt me. Stay a minute, can't you see that I wanna fall from the stars straight into your arms. I feel you. I hope you comprehend.